I guess this is going to be the best environment I've ever get into. I'm amazed by the way it's looking like. I can see this place the way it is. And so guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Agitaru's YouTube channel. Please go there, subscribe, comment, and also keep watching. For the returning subscribers, thank you. Let's keep subscribing and also watch. Don't forget to comment and also like my video. I can see the way the environment is looking like. Here is Nandi, Kenya, Africa. I love the way it is. And so guys, you can see the flowers. We have different of them. This looks like a garden, but no, it's not a garden. But you're going to get what it consists of. And we have different trees. It's a trees one, eh? It is this type of a tree. You can see, oh, have some light reflection, but yeah, let's take a look and walk also. We have, in fact, I'm amazed by how the environment is very flat, very green. Everything is wow. I love it. So let's get into the place. Okay, we're still going there. I can see also we have another plant somewhere there. And by the look of things, you can see we have most of the trees here are the indigenous trees. You can see, and we have people living the other side of the site. And so we can see we have the tea plantation. The area is very flat, very fertile. You're going there so that I'm going to show you. And we have rocks also. I don't know what this area is consists of, but don't worry, we are almost getting to a place. And then we have this tree also, or this plant. It's called, yeah, Flocatia indica. That's, I think it's a scientific name. So we are getting again. You can see the way this place is looking like. Hey, I love it, guys. We are getting to a very beautiful environment. Stay tuned, subscribe, keep watching. Hey guys, this place is wow. I love it. I don't know whether you are enjoying the environment, the way it is, the way it's looking very amazing. The place is wow. Here is the resting place. It's so guys, it is touched one. You can see the way it is. Hey guys, we have variety of plants planted here. We have the one known as the Ras SPP. That is the, I think it's a strawberry or what. We have another one there again. It's called Zigzagum cordatium. It is a waterberry. You can see the way it's looking like. It's a waterberry. Let's take a look and see. Yeah, it's a waterberry. Then I think we'll have another one again. This one is called, the botanical name is called the Manlicara discola. You can see the way it's looking like. I think they're almost the same, but what can distinguish these plants are only their leaves and the way most of them are the indigenous. Not even most of them, but all that I've shown you are the indigenous trees. You can see also that place, the way it's looking like. Wow, very amazing. Green. I love it. He's somewhere in Nandi. Hey guys, we are almost getting to a place, and it's very amazing. It's a forest place. You can see a forest at this side and also this side. Then we have the path. You see, it's a stairs like. It is concreted. I love it. And so guys, you can hear some birds making noise. But I understand because it's a forest, so have no worry. Oh my god, I wish to find some monkeys here so that I can shoot the videos. Where were those birds? I don't see them. We are almost to a certain place. Oh my god. I was telling you to the stairs, like you can see, and it is fenced. I think we have a valley here. The land forming process is still taking place at this area. I can see somewhere there down we got a valley, and people are living somewhere there. I don't know whether you can see. We have some houses. It's not that clear. Oh guys, I should not forget about this. Oh, so a place where we're going is a river lake, and so guys, you can see this pipe. It is a iron pipe. I think it is supplying water to the estates. I was starting this video, you saw we had a large tea plantation, and that's why I think these pipes are supplying water to those people living there. Babes! Where are they? You see they're jumping like I enjoy the way that. Babes, come baby. Please come. They're disappearing. Come. Oh my god, so here also we have a crying stone here at Nandi County. You can see it's a crying stone, not only at Kakamega County, but also here we have a crying stone. You can see this one, it's dropping some water. Hey guys, that's the... And so we are moving to the second. Stay tuned guys. Oh my god, it's a surprise. Look at something. Tap the key. That bell icon not to be left away the videos that I'm going to create. This place is wow. Can you look at? You see that this rock is, it's a larger one, it's a tall one. Imagine, there's ground, can move it like this. Then we have that waterfall somewhere there. Imagine it's a river flowing from the other side of the valley. And so guys, let's take a look and see. This has really promoted the tourism industry in Nandi County. And so guys, let's come and visit this place. The way it is very amazing. I love it guys. And we came here at 2011 and it's still there, it has not yet been wrapped. Hey guys, oh my god. I'm telling you that it's a surprise. So going through certain place somewhere there, you can see it's a cave. And so guys, let's get inside and see what this cave is consisting of. Inside the cave, it's very dark, and so I have to use this. And also I do not go alone. So let's take a look and see. Here is one of the caves in Nandi County. It's called Gabunat, found in Nandi Hills. I think 7 kilometers from Kapsabet town. You can see this cave. Also, we have some names located. You can see the names there. I don't know what you can see, but I'll move closer so that you can see what the names are all consist of. And the tourists that are visiting this place are the one from the inside the county and also the one from the outside the county. And so guys, let me start to walk. I hope everything will be well with me. I'll use this torch of mine. That's why I have the flashlight. The area is very dark. You can see. In fact, I've not walked. I'm still around the where there is some lights, but all in all will be well. And so guys, let me take a walk, and I'm worried about this place. We have some small particles of stones, not that, yeah, they're small on them. Oh god, everything is dark, but all in all I think that everything will be well. So let me just use this flashlight. We have the stones. It's not that easy to pass through, but I think that I'll manage, guys. Let me just walk. It's almost my god, 50 meters long, but I'll not go until that inside because like I'll be scared. And I think during the older days, the Nandi community, they used to perform some rituals here, like it's a praying zone. Kitambo, they used to worship here and also perform different rituals. So guys, the place is getting deep, darker. You can see the birds moving. Can you look at? Hey guys, you can imagine you are in a darkness like where I'm from. So everything is wonderful when it is a light day. You enjoy everything compared to when it is dark like this. In fact, I've really struggled to get inside that place. And so guys, stay tuned for more videos. Let's keep watching for